Welcome students. We are going to continue with the practice set 2.6. The fourth problem. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So there are two persons, but you are not going to take two variables, you are going to take one variable. So to start with, you are going to take, see here, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So start by taking Kishore's age as x. So practice set 2.6, the fourth one. So let the present age of Kishore be x years. Then Vivek, the given Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So Vivek's age will be age is 5 years older, means you get it as x plus 5. Then further what they have given sum of their reciprocals of their age is 1 upon 6. So from given condition, sum of the reciprocals, means reciprocal of Kishore's age, reciprocal of Vivek's age, so their sum is equal to 1 upon 6. So you get 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. So this you have to solve it. So we cross multiply, you get x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Simplifying this, x plus x is 2x plus 5 upon, opening the bracket, you get x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now we have to cross multiply. So you get x square plus 5x. This when you cross multiply, you get 12x plus 6 5s are 30. Bring all the terms to one side. So when I bring 12x to this side, I'll get minus 12x. 5 minus 12x will be equal to minus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. Now factorize it. So factors for 30 will be 10 into 3 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So you get x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 equal to 0. So here x is common, so you get x minus 10. 3 is common, you get x minus 10 equal to 0. So from this, either x minus 10 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So what you get, either the value of x is equal to, equating both of it to 0, you get x is equal to 10, or you get x is equal to minus 3. So from these two values, according to what statement is given in the problem, you have to decide which is the value for x. So here age is given. Age cannot be in terms of a negative sign. So therefore the value of x is equal to 10. That is the present age of Kishore will be 10 years and the present age of Vivek will be 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15. So you have to write, since age cannot be negative, x is equal to 10. Then you have to write, therefore Kishore's age is equal to 10 years and write it here. Then the other person is Vivek. Vivek's age is x plus 5. X is 10, so 10 plus 5, 15 years. So like this you have to work out the problem. Now you have got the sixth problem. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production of the cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes well. So here you have got the cost of the production is 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in a day. So to start with, you have to start by taking the number of pots made by Kasam in each day be X. Let the number of pots made in one day be X. In one day is making X number of pots. Then you have to find out the cost of each pot. Cost of each pot is equal to what they have given in the problem. Production cost is rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. So 40 more means you get less 40 more than 10 times the number of pots he makes in a day. So you get 10x. So this will be the cost of each pot. Now next what they have given is the production cost of all the pots per day is 600. That is the total cost of the pot is given. The total cost of all the pots he made in one day is rupees. So total rupees 600. Now to frame the equation, what you have to, for total cost is given. How can you find out the total cost? It is nothing but the number of pots made in a day and cost of each pot. When you multiply, you will get the total cost. So from given condition, you get x into 10x plus 40 is equal to number of pots into cost of each pot is equal to 600. So opening the bracket, you get 10x square plus 40x, bring 600 to the other side, is equal to 0. So you can divide throughout by 10. So you will get x square, write it here, divide by 10. So you get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now you have to find out the factors for 60. 10 6 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So you get x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. So taking out common factor, you get x plus 10 minus 6 into x plus 10 equal to 0. So you get x plus 10 into x minus 6 equal to 0. From this the value of x will be equal to minus 10, or you get the value of x is equal to 6, taking to the other side. Now here again you have got two values. You have to see which is suitable to the statement that is given. So you had taken the number of pots as x. So number of pots cannot be in terms of negative. So the number of pots will be positive. So you have to take the value of x as 6. Since number of pots cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore you have to write the final statement what is asked in the problem. Find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So number of pots is equal to 6 and production cost (10x plus 40). So you get 10 into 6 plus 40, that is 60 plus 40, which is equal to rupees 100. So like this, what is asked in the problem you have to find out. So they have asked the number of pots also, they have asked production cost also they have asked. So both the statements you have to write. For all the statement problems, writing of the statement is very important. Eighth problem, Pintu takes 6 days more than of Nishu to complete a certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? So to start with, you have to take the given Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu. So let Nishu take X days to complete the work. Then Pintu takes 6 days more. Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu, means you will get it as X plus 6 days. Now you have to find out how much of work is completed by Nishu in 1 day. That is, to complete the full work, Nishu is taking X days. To complete the full work, Pintu is taking X plus 6 days. So you have to find out how much of work is completed in 1 day by Pintu and by Nishu. Work done by Nishu in 1 day will be 1 upon X, and work done by Pintu in 1 day will be equal to 1 upon X plus 6. So these values you have to take with the reciprocal. Now both of them are doing the work together. So together they are completing the work in 1 day. Work done by both in 1 day. So what they given, if they work together, they will finish it in 4 days. So both of them are working together to complete the full work. They are taking 4 days. So in 1 day they will complete the work in 1 upon the work done. How much of work is done by both of them in 1 day will be equal to 1 upon 4. So from given condition, you get 1 upon X. This is both together, so you have to add these two. Upon 1 upon X plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. So this you have to simplify. So you get X, the previous problem you have done the same way, you have to do it. Upon X into X plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. So you get 2X plus 6 upon X square plus 6X is equal to 1 upon 4. So here you get X square plus 6X minus 8X minus 24 equal to 0. So you get X square minus 2X minus 24 equal to 0. 6 4s are 24. So you get X square minus 6X plus 4X minus 24 equal to 0. So you get X square minus, take out common factor, X is common, X minus 6 plus 4 is common, 4 6 X minus 6 equal to 0. So here it becomes X minus 6 into X plus 4 equal to 0. So you get X is equal to 6 or X is equal to minus 4. So Nishu will take 6 days to complete the work, and Pintu will take 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 days. So like this you have to find out how many days Nishu will take to complete the work and how many days Pintu will take to complete the work.